If you're wondering which software is the best for enterprise-level construction management, CoConstruct or CMiC, you're in the right place. Both have strong reputations, but there are key differences that could make one a better fit depending on your needs. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which one can streamline your projects more efficiently, or if there's a better option out there. Let's dive into the first point, user interface and ease of use. CoConstruct is known for being intuitive with its clean, easy-to-navigate dashboard. The design allows both project managers and clients to stay in the loop effortlessly. However, this simplicity can sometimes limit advanced features that larger organizations may need. On the other hand, CMiC's interface can feel a little more complex, but this is partly because it offers much more robust functionality. For large teams and those managing multifaceted projects, CMiC's extensive tools come in handy, though it does have a steeper learning curve. Next thing to consider is pricing. CoConstruct offers tiered pricing based on the features you need, and while it's competitive, it may not be the most cost-effective option for larger teams. CMiC, being more enterprise-focused, tends to have a higher price point, especially when you add additional modules for things like HR, procurement, and accounting. But for enterprises that need an all-in-one solution, CMiC can be worth the investment, even if the cost is a bit steep. The third thing to look at is integration capabilities. Both software options boast integrations with popular accounting and project management tools, but CMiC has a clear advantage here. CMiC's ability to integrate seamlessly with enterprise-level systems like Oracle and SAP makes it more attractive for large-scale operations. CoConstruct, while it offers integrations with QuickBooks and others, doesn't have the same depth of options for larger enterprises. So, if your company already has complex systems in place, CMiC is likely the better choice. Now, let's talk about project management features. CoConstruct shines when it comes to residential project management. Its detailed budgeting, scheduling, and client communication tools are perfect for small to medium-sized construction businesses. However, when it comes to large enterprise construction, CMiC offers a more comprehensive suite, including detailed cost tracking, resource management, and advanced reporting capabilities. If you're running multiple projects across different locations, CMiC's ability to handle complex workflows may be a deciding factor. The fifth thing is customer support and training. CoConstruct offers great customer support with onboarding and helpful resources to get teams up to speed quickly. CMiC also provides strong customer support, but it's not as immediate. The system's complexity means you might need more time and guidance to maximize its potential, and while CMiC does offer extensive training, it may take more time to get the full value. Finally, let's discuss long-term scalability. Both platforms work well in their own right, but CMiC excels when it comes to scaling for large enterprises. It's built for handling multiple projects, teams, and complex needs. If your business is expanding, CMiC is likely the better choice as it will grow with your company. CoConstruct, though excellent for smaller teams and residential projects, may not offer the same flexibility as you scale up. Now, both CoConstruct and CMiC are solid choices, but after trying both myself, I would recommend considering a better alternative for enterprise construction management. If you want a free trial of a platform that can offer more flexibility, better pricing for your enterprise, and easier scaling, click the first link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your construction management to the next level.